This video tutorial is designed to assist you in upgrading your Return to Castle Wolfenstein 1.0 game to version 1.4 in such a manner that you can play either 1.0 or 1.4 depending on which shortcut you select. The first step in this process is to download the update patch from the internet. Links to this patch can be found on the A-Team Return to Castle Wolfenstein web forum. Once you have downloaded the patch and saved it to a location where you can find it, such as your desktop or My Documents, locate your Return to Castle Wolfenstein folder, which is usually located on your hard drive under Program Files. The first step of the process is to make a copy of your current Return to Castle Wolfenstein installation. You can do this by right-clicking on your Return to Castle Wolfenstein folder and choosing Copy. You then right-click on an empty space of the Program Files folder and choose Paste. This will create a new folder called Copy of Return. Now that you have created the copy of your Return to Castle Wolfenstein folder, it is time to rename it to identify it as the folder that will contain your version 1.4. To rename the folder, right-click on it and choose Rename from the list. Note that when you choose Rename, the entire folder name is highlighted. Use the left arrow key to scroll to the beginning of the folder name. Rename the folder to something such as Return to Castle Wolfenstein 1.4 to identify it as the folder containing your upgraded Return to Castle Wolfenstein. Press the Enter key to save your folder name change. Many players will have files and folders within their Return to Castle Wolfenstein 1.4 folder that are actually incompatible with playing Return to Castle Wolfenstein 1.4. To correct this, double-click on your Return to Castle Wolfenstein 1.4 folder. Look for any files or folders in here that talk about SandMod and delete them. Also, look for any files or folders that talk about Banny or BannyMod and delete them as well at this time. Note that you may have additional items that talk about BannyMod or SandMod, and they should all be deleted at this time. Keep in mind that Return to Castle Wolfenstein 1.4 is Punkbuster enabled, and now is a great time to delete all those cheats. This copy of Return to Castle Wolfenstein is now ready to be patched. Locate the Wolf Update 1.4 patch file on your hard drive and run it. Choose a language appropriate for yourself and select OK. If you don't see this screen, if you instead see a screen saying that Wolf cannot be located on your computer, then you are running a hacked version of Return to Castle Wolfenstein. Shame on you. PM me and I will help you with a workaround. Otherwise, click Next, and click Next, and click Yes, and click Next. Choose the radio button that says Yes, and click Next. Click on the Browse button. Locate on your hard drive where you have installed version 1.4. Then click the OK button. A warning will appear if you click Yes. Then click the Next button. Finally, click Install. Another warning appears. Click OK to proceed. When the patch has completed, click the Finish button. You are now done upgrading your version 1.0 to version 1.4. Congratulations. You now have both a Return to Castle Wolfenstein and a Return to Castle Wolfenstein 1.4 folder in your Program Files folder, or wherever you store them on your hard drive. To play either one, click on the wolfmp file in either one. You may want to create shortcuts on your desktop for both of these wolfmp files. Have fun. Hope to see you there.